Hello students, welcome to our channel KMath Shastra. This is our first video on mathematics and today we will discuss about the basic formulas of trigonometry. This video is mainly consisting with the different functions of angle like sine, cosine, tangent, etc. Other parts of trigonometry will also be uploaded very soon. Hope this video will be very much helpful for the students, basically for the students of class 9 and 10 who are newcomer in this part of mathematics. So let's start. So students, from the very beginning of this class, you have to remember one thing, that is trigonometry is completely concerned with the right angle triangle. So you can see that a right angle triangle ABC I had already draw in my copy. Okay, so you can see that AB is the height of this right angle triangle, height. BC is the base of this right angle triangle and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, so AB is the height and AC is the hypotenuse and BC is the base of this ABC right angle triangle. Okay. Now we should take some shortcuts of height, hypotenuse and base. As we can use small h for height, we can use capital H for hypotenuse and B for base. Okay. Now we are directly coming to the values of sine, which are the main motif of our this classes. Okay. So about sine, the next one is cosine. Next is tangent, cosec, sec and cot. So we have to know these values. Okay. So at the first you must remember one thing, that sine, cosine, tan, these values are mainly taken for those acute angle present in this triangle. Like if I take this angle C is theta, as this is the acute angle of this right angle triangle. Okay, so you know about the acute angle which are greater than 0 degree and lesser than 90 degree. So if I take that theta angle C is theta, as this is the acute angle of this right angle triangle, then we have to write this formula of sine, cosine, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Okay, here the theta angle is taking for calculation. So sine means height, that is small h I can write, divided by capital H, that is height divided by hypotenuse. Okay, you just have to remember the formula of only sine and cosine, and others, those formulas can easily come from these two formula. Okay, these two are the fundamental formula. We have height divided by hypotenuse for sine. Okay, for cosine the value is base divided by hypotenuse. Okay, so I want to show you that according to the representation of this ABC triangle, that is height is AB, so I can write that's AB divided by the hypotenuse is AC, that is AC. So sine is equal to AB by AC. Okay, now for cosine, this is base by hypotenuse, so I can write BC divided by AC. Okay, so this is the values of sine and cosine. So you have to remember that is sine is equal to height divided by hypotenuse and cosine is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. Okay, now come to tangent. You have to remember that tangent or the tan value is equals to sine by cosine. And you have to also know that all these four values will come from these two fundamental values. Okay. Now, tangent is equal to sine by cosine. So, sine means height divided by hypotenuse and cosine means base divided by hypotenuse. So, height divided by hypotenuse into I can write hypotenuse divided by base. That is hypotenuse be cancelled out, then height divided by base. This is equals to of tangent. So what is the main formula, or according to this representation, That means height divided by base. That became height means AB divided by BC. This is for tangent. Okay. Now for cosec. Cosec is equals to, you have to remember 1 by sine. 1 by sine means 1 by height divided by hypotenuse. That equals to hypotenuse divided by h. That means hypotenuse means AC divided by h means AB. So cosine is AC by AB. Now for sec. Sec is 1 by cosine. Okay, so what is cosine? It was b by h, that means base by hypotenuse. So I can write 1 by b by h. That means h by capital H by b. I must say capital H. So capital H means the hypotenuse divided by base. That means AC by BC. Okay, this is sec value. And for the last one is cot, which means 1 by tan. Tan means tangent. Okay, so 1 by tan. Tan was height by base. So I can write 1 by height by base. That means base by height. Okay, what actually happening? That is base means BC divided by height means AC. Okay, so these are the values of tan, cosine, sine, etc. So from the representation of this ABC triangle, you have to remember that for any right angle triangle, sine means height by hypotenuse, cosine means base by hypotenuse. Only these two you have to remember. Other these four you can easily take from or calculate from these two values of sine and cosine. How? That is tan means sine by cosine. Okay. Next cosec means 1 by sine. Sec means 1 by cosine and cot means 1 by tan. Okay. Now I want to show you that how these values can be calculated from a given triangle or right angle triangle if the sides are given to me. You can see a right angle triangle I had cut. That name is ABC and this is A, this is B and this is C. The angle B is 90 degree, BC is equal to 4 centimeter and AB is equals to 3 centimeter. If I put this triangle just like this, okay, so here you can see that is AB is equals to 3 centimeter. Probably you can see, and BC is equals to 4 centimeter. But the value of AC is not given to me. Okay. Now you have to remember one of the last lesson you already read in your last classes. That is the Pythagoras theorem. And according to this Pythagoras theorem, you know that the values of hypotenuse or any unknown values of a right angle triangle we can easily calculate. What is the formula? The formula was hypotenuse square is equals to height square plus base square. You know that very well, I guess. So this is hypotenuse square is equals to height square plus base square. Okay. Now in this ABC triangle, the hypotenuse AC is unknown for me. So I can put this as h, that is h square. But the height, that is AB, is equals to 3 is given to me. So I can write 3 square for in the place of h. Next for base, this is 4. So this is 4 square. So what it became? It became 9 plus 16 means 25. That means h square is equals to 25 and h is equals to 5. Okay, it must be plus minus 5, but as this is for the length, so we must take only plus 5. Okay, so AC is equals to, I can write here 5 centimeter. Now I have to calculate all the values of sine, cosine, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Okay, I already put this formula as this is very much new for you. So for the sine value we have to put the height divided by hypotenuse. Okay. So for height divided by hypotenuse, here height AB is 3 centimeter. So I can write 3 and AC means 5 centimeter. So 3 by 5 is the values of sine. Okay. So 3 by 5 is the value of sine. Sine means sine C. I must tell you that sine C. And why it is only, I already told you that sine cos values are only can taken for the acute angle. But here I can only taking that the angle of C. And why it's not A, I will describe it further. That is, I only take it C. These are for the angle C. Okay. For angle C. For angle C, all these values I will calculate. So for angle C, I want to take my camera close. That is for angle C. This is for angle C. I have sine C is equals to 3 by 5. That is height by hypotenuse. Now for the case of cos, that is base by A. So BC is my base. That is 4 divided by hypotenuse is 5. Okay. So the cos value is 4 by 5. Now what about the tan value? Tan value we just know that sine by cos. So we can write 3 by 5 divided by 4 by 5. That became 3 by 4. Okay. Now for the cosec we know that is 1 by sine. So I can easily take the reciprocal of the sine value. So 5 by 3. Only 5 by 3. We just had not to take any other formula. Okay. Now for the cosec, this is 1 by cos. So I can write 5 by 4. And for cot, it is base by height. So that is for the 1 by 10. So I can write 4 by 3. Okay. So here the formulas are given for the cosec, that is hypotenuse by height. You can see that I had already write 5 by 3 as this is 1 by cos. You can also match this from this representation or this right angle triangle. That is hypotenuse by height. Hypotenuse is 5 AC divided by height is 3. So 5 by 3. This is hypotenuse by base. So hypotenuse is 5 by base. Next for the cot, base by height, that is equal to base 4 divided by 3, that is 4 by 3. Okay. Now we will solve a problem given for the sine cosine values. Okay. What is given? That is a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the 16-meter vertical pole to the ground. Find the sine. So what is given? That is 20-meter rope. I had draw a diagram here. That is a rope which is 20-meter long. That is 20-meter rope. And there is a 16-meter vertical pole. This is the vertical pole which is 16-meter long. Okay. This vertical pole is 16-meter long and the rope is 20-meter long which is tied at the top of this vertical pole. And next this is come to the base. And here a 90-degree angle is formed for the vertical pole and the rope. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle, so we can easily find the sine cosine value for this. So what is you have to get, that is the sine cosine values of each acute angle formed here. Okay, each acute angle. You must can see that here two acute angle are formed. If I naming this, that is A, B, C, that here is A is also an acute angle and C is also an acute angle. So we have to calculate both for the sine C, cos C, as well sine A and cos A. This question actually means that we have to calculate the sine and cos value of each acute angle formed. Okay, so for this problem we just at first we will calculate the values of sine C and cos C. What is the difference? Triangle will not change, but what is the difference will happen here? So for the triangle C, that is for the angle C, we have to take the C angle at the baseline. Okay, this is the difference. When we are taking the angle C, we have to take the angle C at the baseline. And when we are taking for the angle A, we have to take the AB line at the baseline. So, as this is a right angle triangle is formed, this a right angle triangle is formed, we can't surely or we can confidently tell that BC is the base, BA is the height. you can also rotate the triangle when AB became the base and BC became the height. It can also be happen. So for the sine C, as this is the angle C and this I have to take in the baseline. For sine C, what is the formula of sine? We already know that height by hypotenuse. So here the height, that is 16 meter divided by 20 meter is the hypotenuse. So it became 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is the value of sine C. Okay. Now for the values of cos C. For the value of cos C, here is base by height. Hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse. But the base BC it not given me here. So I have to calculate again the BC by the formula of Pythagoras theorem. How? According to Pythagoras theorem, capital H square is equals to H square plus B square. Now B is unknown for me. So H square minus small h square is equals to B square. So 20 square, as 20 is the hypotenuse, minus 16 square, as this is the small h or height, is equal to B square. So it became 400 minus 16 square means 256 is equals to B square. So it became equals to 144 is equals to B square. 144 is the square of 12. So base equals to 12. So I can write the BC as it is equals to 12 centimeters, 12 meter. Okay. So now for the cos C value, the base by hypotenuse, that is base is equals to, I already find it value, that is 12 by 20. It's equals to, it became 3 by 5. Okay, so this is the value of sine C and cos C. Now I have to calculate the value of sine A and cos A. So I already told that when the values of A have to calculate, then I have to rotate the triangle as to make the A angle at the base. So now A angle is come at the base. Okay, now for sine A and cos A, formula will not change. So for sine C, again this is h by h, small h by capital H. Now the small h became the BC and the capital H always, the hypotenuse is always 20 meter. So this is became 12 by 20. That became 3 by 5. And for cos value, now this is base by hypotenuse. So now the base becomes, so now for cos A, the base divided by hypotenuse. Now the base became AB, that means 16 meter, and H hypotenuse is 20 meter. So 16 by 20, it became 4 by 5. So what we get, that is the sine C value is 4 by 5. The cos C value is 3 by 5. Okay, and the sine A value is 3 by 5 and cos A value is 4 by 5. So we have to take that accurate angle which is I need to calculate. Okay, if I need to calculate C, then we have to take C in our baseline. If we need to calculate A, then we have to take A as the baseline. Okay. Okay, in our next problem, we have a 40-meter long tree breaks due to storm at above 15 meter. Okay, 40-meter long tree break at 15 meter. I had already drawn that this is a 40 meter. If we take that this is a 40-meter long tree. So this is 40-meter tree. It break at 15 meter. It break at 15 meter. So this length is 15 meter. This length is 15 meter. So this is 15 meter length, above which it's break. So the rest part, that is means this part, it's break here to here. So this part is 40 minus 15, that is 25 meter. Okay. The distance, the top of the tree touches the ground. Now it touches the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree, that is the foot of the tree, to the point where the top touches the ground is 20 meter. The foot of the tree and where it is touches the ground is 20 meter. That means here it is 20 meter. Find the tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta if the broken part bends by theta angle. That is the broken part break by theta angle. So this angle is theta. Okay, angle touches the ground. Now we have to find the values of tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Now so where the angle theta formed? It's formed here. So we know that on the angle which have to calculate, that is tan theta, that angle should take in the baseline. So I have to rotate this triangle, this formed right angle triangle as this. This is 90 degree. Okay, so here the theta angle. So what is the base? I have briefly write here. Base equals to 15 meter. This is the height. Height is equals to 20 meter. And this is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equals to 25 meter. Okay. Now the tan theta. Tan theta is equals to, we know that height by base. Height by base. So height is here 20 meter. By base is 15 meter. That is 20 by 15. By cancellation, we can get 4 by 3. For cot, this is 1 by 10. Then I can directly write 3 by 4. Okay. Now for sec theta, I can also write this is by formula. This is by formula, it became base by height. So base is 15 divided by 20 by cancellation 3 by 4. Now sec theta was hypotenuse by base. Okay, you have to remember the formulas from sine to from cos to sec, but also you have to know this, that is hypotenuse by base. Okay, so hypotenuse by base, hypotenuse means here 25 divided by base is 15 by cancellation 5 by 3, and the cosec, that is hypotenuse by height, is equals to hypotenuse was 25 by 20 by cancellation 5 by 4. Okay, so these are the values of tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta by this diagram. Okay, so by this overall video we had learned that how to find the sine, cosine, tan, cos, sec, cot, cosec values from the given length or sides of a right angle triangle. You just have to remember the sine and cosine values, that is height by hypotenuse and base by hypotenuse. Other 4 terms you can, or the 4 values you can easily derive from these 2 values. Okay. Hope this video can be very much helpful for you to make your conception clear. If you like this video, so please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.